الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا وهادينا ومرشدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله الطيبين الطاهرين وعلى أصحابه البررة الكرام رضوان الله تعالى عنهم أجمعين وعنا معهم بجوده وكرمه فإنه أكرم الأكرمين. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إذا مات ابن آدم انقطع عنه عمله إلا من ثلاث: صدقة جارية أو علم ينتفع به أو ولد صالح يدعو له، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. صدق الله مولانا العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الأمي الكريم، ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. درود शरीफ पढ़ने हैं। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मद व अला आलि सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मद व बारिक व सल्लिम व सल्लि अलैहि। मेरे वाजिबुल इहतिराम बुजुर्गों, उलमाए किराम, दोस्तों, साथियों, इंग्लिश में बात करनी है या उर्दू में? मिक्स इंग्लिश में कर लें। My respected brothers and greatly respected ulama kiram and scholars, today we are gathering here because Hafiz Sahib, may Allah reward him, invited us all, so we can say, dua for his late father. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him Ameen. With his mercy and kindness. Ameen. Say Ameen.
Ameen.
And actually, I read an ayah and a hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm going to elaborate on these two things and then we're going to finish, inshallah. And I would like your attention, please. So I want you to not to go into muraqabah or sleep because feeling sakina and rahmah, but instead look at me, please. Give me your eye contact. So वो हमारी मस्जिद में एक साथी हैं, वो सो जाते हैं या फजर के बाद मशवरा होता है तो उसमें थोड़ा से ऐसे, तो मैंने कहा कि गले तुम क्यों सोना है? आँखने वो सकीना आई ना जी, तो सकीना आपके पास ऊपर आएगी. The comfort and tranquility comes because we are in the majlis upon which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent his angels who are sitting with us. We don't see them, but they are with us. They are all the time with us, upon us. So actually the first ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying that this death you are running away from. قُلْ إِنَّ الْمَوْتَ الَّذِي تَفِرُّونَ مِنْهُ. Say, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the death you are running away from. And everybody is trying to run away from the death. Going to hospital, to doctors. And it reminds me a little story that there was a king, a ruler, and he was getting bigger and bigger because he was eating too much and not worried about anything. And he became very ill. So he went away, gathered all his, specialist of medicine and tried to do some sort of treatment to reduce his weight. They couldn't do anything. So in a neighboring country, he sent message to one of his colleagues that this is the problem I'm faced with. Is there any experts who can give me some kind of medication for this. And he said yes, and he sent him an expert. And this expert was not only that he was expert in medicine, like in the past, those they were Hakim and Tabib, they were very pious people as well. They were doing physical and spiritual treatment together. So he came and he saw the king and he said to him, whisper in his ear, that I would like to talk to you in private. You have a very terrible illness. He said, okay. And he sat with the king and he said, your illness is that most likely you're going to die in a month's time. So I will advise you to prepare yourself for the death during this month and do everything, whatever you need to do. And he started doing that, and he became worried. He stopped, he's coming out, all the activities and everything. And he started losing weight as well. Months gone, but he didn't die. So he called upon this person and said, you said to me that I'm going to die after a month. He said, no, I don't know your death, your time of your death. That's only known by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala azza wa jalla. But the only thing I thought which could reduce your weight to put you in worry and take you away from dunya, and that is only the death. That can do that, and it did it effectively. So you you lost your weight. So إِنَّ الْمَوْتَ الَّذِي تَفِرُّونَ مِنْهُ فَإِنَّهُ مُلَاقِيكُمْ. It's definitely coming for you. मुलाकात तो आप जानते हैं ना, सब उर्दू का लफ्ज़ भी है. मुलाक़ीकुम is going to come for you. ثُمَّ تُرَدُّونَ إِلَىٰ عَالِمِ الْغَيْبِ. Then you are going to return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to the world of reality. We are in the world of falsehood. Everything is fraud and cheating.